Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Winslow, local and long-distance movers near me. For the most capable moving services in Winslow, trust Winslow Local 3 Movers to handle your local move. Local movers are very reliable for local moves. Winslow Local TM Movers team of specialists will make your move effortless as they have the most experienced local movers in Winslow, with safety measures and quality equipment to make your move seamless. Winslow Local TM Movers is your best choice. For the best long-distance Winslow movers, Winslow Long Distance 3 Movers is the top choice for your long-distance move. Experienced and dedicated, you can rest assured of a successful move with the expert services of Winslow Long Distance 3 Movers. Winslow's Long Distance 3 Movers team has completed several out-of-state moves on schedule and without damage to the client's belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Winslow moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.